Hey, Jacob here with ePool Supply. Today we're going to install a Jandy iQPUMP01. So what this does is it connects your variable speed pump to the Aqualink app. So pretty much what you're going to do is install your red 4-pin connector that comes with the antenna into the terminal block in the rear of the pump. Obviously I'm just going to do it over the top like this, but you're going to run it inside the conduit that it comes with. And then it's going to go red, black, yellow, then green. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 is red, black, yellow, green. The dip switches on the side of the pump or on the next to it are going to go number 1 and number 2 are going to go up. And that's how it gets power to the actual device itself. So then after this, we're going to go ahead and download the app from the App Store. So what you're going to do is go to your App Store on your mobile device, and then you're going to search iAqualink, and then you're going to download it. So what this does is this makes it so the antenna can talk to the app over your Wi-Fi connection. But you're gonna search iAqualink, and then the I with the radio waves on top of the I will pop up, and that's the app you want to download. There's a couple knockoffs out there, but you want this one. So now once it's downloaded, you're gonna want to open up the app with the I symbol on your device, and then what you're gonna want to do is press Connect iQPump using Wi-Fi to phone. And then what you're going to have to do, it's going to tell you to do this once the screen pops up. It's going to say Connect Wi-Fi to Phone button. So on your antenna, you're going to click that button. So once you click that button, it'll highlight green. And then you can go to the settings of your phone, click Wi-Fi, and then you can click on VS Pump, and it'll have the last 3 of the serial number on it. So then once that's connected, you go back onto the app, and it'll automatically connect to your phone. It's pretty cool. So this is how anybody can connect to the cell phone or any kind of device using the app. So now let's set this thing up. So now right in the opening screen, you can just turn your pump on. You can adjust the speed, turn it on, and it'll say pump is priming, pump is on. It'll start showing a wattage. Next, we're going to go ahead and click on the settings in the top right to kind of program the entire pump. So what you're going to do is we're going to start in the top drop-down arrow. We're going to go to minimum, maximum speeds. So this is how you can set the min max. So let's tune this thing down a little bit. Just because you can, so you can kind of adjust this thing however you want to. It's kind of nice. So we're going to go ahead and crank this thing down to 29.25. Let's go to Quick Clean. Quick Clean is the button that's on the top left, which is a 30-minute runtime for the pump. So pretty much if a storm's coming, you can come, press the button, Quick Clean, and all of a sudden your pool will clean up, or if you're having a party or whatever. So then you can change the RPMs of the Quick Clean as well. Now after that, let's go ahead and go back to the drop-down menu to the next item, and we're going to go to Timed Run, which is located in the top right. So this is your timeout mode. So pretty much this will, when a service guy comes and cleans your pool, he's going to adjust it for a 3-hour timed run. And the same thing as a time stop. For some reason, you need your pool not to run for 3 hours, he's going to do that. Freeze Protect is pretty much, obviously if your pool gets to a low temperature, it's going to turn on to whatever RPM you want to adjust it to. It's kind of a cool feature. And then after that, we can go to priming speed. I like to max these out personally. And then, or I'm just showing you can slide it around however you want to do it. But personally, yeah, I like to max them out just because it gets the pump all nice and primed and full. And then after 3 minutes, it goes to whatever speed it's programmed to. And then when we're done, you click done. And now let's go down the settings to let's adjust the time zone. Let's just go to Denver, why not? And then after that, we can go down to the next setting, which is edit schedule. So this is how you can make your schedules on your pump for your on times, your off times, and the whole 9 yards. So it automatically comes with a default schedule. So actually, if you click on that default schedule, you're going to be able to edit it. So it's kind of a neat little feature. You can do as many programs as you want to, and you can adjust the days, and then you can adjust the RPMs. You can do the start time, the stop time. There's all kinds of stuff that you can do with the scheduling, so you can piggyback schedules and however you want to do it. So the plus on the top right is how you do it, and then the little, so that just, yeah. So, and then the little scrolling icon with the green dot, that's how you enable the schedules. And then next one down, let's set this thing up on Wi-Fi, so you can pretty much turn your pump on from anywhere. Say you're out at dinner and you see a storm coming in, you want to turn your pump on, or your family's in town, they want your water feature on, you can just turn everything on. So what I'm doing is attaching this to my Wi-Fi. Now is click the Wi-Fi settings button. So you click that, and then it's going to bring you up to the next screen. And what it is, it's going to show you all of your networks. You're going to click your network that you're on. Mine's Pool Boy at the top, so I'm going to click that, and then type in my Wi-Fi password, which is extremely case sensitive, so make sure you do how, like, everything's case sensitive. So Zodiac69 is my password. I'm going to click connect. Perfect. So now that I'm going to click OK, and then what I want to do is click the button that says add this to my system. So every time I log in, it's going to be on my system, so I have to do the Wi-Fi to connect button and do all this other stuff. It's going to save it to my systems under Wi-Fi settings. And then after that, I want to add myself as a master user. So pretty much this will make it to where I own the system. And what I can do is I can invite like my pool guy and other things if I claim master user. So I have made myself the actual master user now. And then so now what I'm going to do is go on the top left and go to my systems. So then it will show the VS-PUMP01 is online with the green dot. And also on the antenna, see the LAN WAN button, those are lit up. That means it's online and connected to my router. So now I went back inside and I'm all connected, and what I can do, I mean, this is just the main screen, so it's going to connect and I can use it anywhere at any time. I just clicked it on for 30 minutes for a custom speed turn on at 2475. The orange bar says that it turned on for me now. So there you go, speed, it's building up and it's showing you the power wattage usage. Obviously this is my demo pump, so it's going to be a lot less watts than normal. But everything's going good. So then what I did is go to settings again and then manage users. See the plus icon on the top right? This is how you can invite, like say your pool guy, to where you click the create invite code and then you can send him that. That's all he needs. He can add it anywhere. And then all of a sudden he can take over your pump and do some things, check programming, do whatever he's got to do. And then, so if I go back, I can change the name of my pump to where it logs in, to where like even your pool guy, like so you can say it's like the Thompson pump or whatever your name is so that they know who you are and which one it is. So sorry, let's go back here and then let's change it to ePool Supply. iQPUMP. And then, so what we're going to do now is save that. And then we'll back out to My Systems. And then right there, you'll see ePool Supply iQPUMP. Thank you for watching, and thank you for using ePool Supply.